Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into a little quick tutorial on C-Trade. So C-Trade is a special exchange. It talks about the lightning fast, secure trading on a dedicated crypto derivatives exchange. So that's one of the main reasons as to why a lot of people are using it, is because also they have this leverage of 150x. If you guys are into leverage trading, by the way, that is very, very dangerous. I always want to keep that in mind that, leverage trading, very, very high risk, high reward. We also have the fast withdrawals, so you can actually withdraw very, very easily and fast. Then also that huge bonus. So we see here, claim $2,200 worth of a bonus now. And there's actually a link I'll put down in the description below if you guys want to use that $2,200 bonus. It's definitely one of the biggest reasons a lot of people are starting out on C-Trade. And then we also have a couple other things going on. We go to the competition, you can see here that there is up to $240,000 USDT against Satoshi. So there's a lot on the line, I should say, and a lot of money to be made. So I do want to talk about how easy it is to register an account as well. So like I said, there's many reasons as to why people are using C-Trade, but let's talk about how easy it is to register, because that has to be at least one of them. We jump into register. All you have to do is enter your email, country, password, and your referral ID if you have one. I don't know if I have a referral ID. If I do, guys, I will put one down in the description below. If we continue from here, it's very, very quick. So I just want to go over to my account. So I am now signed in with, C-Trade. Register an account, obviously being very, very easy. Then we go to the production intro. So USDT perpetual, there's a lot available with the Fiat Gateway as well. If you go to the Fiat Gateway, you can see that there's so many different options, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USDT. You can choose the crypto you want to buy, pick your preferred service provider, and receive crypto in your C-Trade account very, very quickly, like I said, and easily. You can generate that deposit address as well. So let's say we want to put Bitcoin in. We can generate that address real quickly, and there's my deposit address to put into C-Trade. We can also do the same with Ethereum and Tether. Like I said, very, very easily done. Looks like I do have a referral code. So here's my referral code. If you guys want to use it, I will put that link down in the description below, AEF07059. But let's jump straight into a few other things regarding C-Trade. So if we actually go to the credit card buying, like I said, Fiat Gateway, you can do so with your credit card. And I think that's one of the main things that a lot of people get out of C-Trade that you can't really do in a lot of other exchanges. You can't just use your credit card to buy. You have to maybe transfer in from a different exchange or a different wallet. And that's where, C-Trade does very, very well. If we actually talk a little bit more as well, they have a coin convert feature that can convert BTC, ETH, and USDT launching very soon. So that's definitely very, very exciting. But like I said, there's more to talk about whether you guys want to trade or not. So if we go into the trade, deposit it and trade is very, very easy to do. If you go to the trade, like I said, at the top left, and let me make sure you guys can all see that. You can. It's right here. In that top left, you'll be able to see a lot of different options here when you come to the trade side of things. You'll be able to see that, all the different order books. So the selling and buying is going very, very quickly, by the way. And you'll be able to see, like I said, so much different options here on the right side. I want to move you guys over to the right side so you guys can see all the options you have on C-Trade. You have the market, you have the limit, obviously conditional. You can change all of this value, all these values, the quantities. And you can also close on trigger, and you can change the trigger to mark, index, last as well. So just a lot of different options. If you go to the cross as well, you can see, you can actually move your cross to a 5x all the way up to, that 150 that we talked about earlier. So I'm not going to be jumping through all of that, but your request, see, is telling me at the bottom, your request for change of BTC USD leverage to 2.0x is accepted. So they try to tell you and give you notifications when you do it, because obviously if you don't know you're on a specific leverage, that could be definitely very risky. But on the top left, you can see all the different options. So BTC USD, we have ETH USD, BTC USDT, ETH USDT, XRP USDT, and Doge USDT. So a lot of people are trading these specifically on C-Trade, a very, very fast platform, like I said, for this type of trading. And like I said, there's a ton of different order types that you can go through. If you go to the market, you're going to be able to see really all of the different options. And like I said, limit orders, you can do it all pretty much here. And like I said, you're going to get this order book. You can actually change it from 0.5 to 1 and to also 2. And you can also look at the recent trades, and you can always pull these up full detail as well if you guys want to see some of the larger trades, maybe what the whales are doing, what the whales are buying, what they're selling. And then also this is nice as ever, they have this on a lot of exchanges have it, but C-Trade is not one to skip out on any details or features. So you can see this right here. You can actually see all of the history. So you have positions, margin balance, active orders, conditional, trade history, and order history all available to you. I do want to jump into SL and TP. So if we actually jump in, before we do that, actually, I want to jump into contracts. So if we go to contracts, this is very interesting, by the way. Contract specifications. So you can see that there is BTC, ETH, and USDT, and you can actually go through the funding history, the indices, and also, like I said, the full contract details. So much really of information available that is kind of transparent that you don't really get on exchanges maybe like KuCoin or some of the other competitors. C-Trade does a little bit better in some of these scenarios, and I think that's, like I said, a major reason why people are choosing C-Trade just recently. So if we go to the conditional side of things over here on the top right, we can actually select what trigger price we're going to want to buy or sell. You can also set a limit. So you can see the trigger price here in USDT. You can set the limit price and trigger price, and you can take advantage of when you want to sell, when you want to buy exactly. And that's just definitely a way to manage your funds specifically with the market. Obviously, if there's a ton of volatility, you're not going to want to buy the top of a green candle. You're going to want to buy the bottom of a red candle, and that's exactly how you could do so. If we actually buy now, I just want to buy, let's say, limit at the trigger price. Let's go down a little bit just to make sure it happens. Let's go to about 42,500 just to make sure we do actually get it. And we're also going to set the limit price to 42,500 just for the heck of it. And let's just buy 1 BTC worth. Obviously, we're not going to be able to get a full BTC. I only have available balance of 30 USDT. Cost at 149x. I guess we do have 149x on the leverage side of things right now. So let's just go and buy that real quick. So I bought one contract at that 42,500, and you're going to be able to see exactly what comes up here. If we actually go to the market now, if we actually go to trade history, so over here, not really trade history, it's going to be the order history actually. The order history is going to show, okay, we bought one size at 42.5, and we had a fill price. So we have not had the fill price quite yet, but when the fill price comes in, we're going to actually have, like I said, that stop loss set up. We're actually going to reset up a stop loss, and then also we're going to have a take profit signal as well. So you can do all of this, like I said, through C-Trade. Definitely take advantage of it, and thank you guys again. And, another thing to really kind of note is, guys, when we went back to that referral program, I gave you guys my referral program or my referral code. There is a referral, I guess, bonus. So you can actually enjoy up to $200 in welcome bonus and coupon at the reward center. So the referral bonus, share your referral code and invite friends to C-Trade. For every invite registered and made an initial deposit of 0.02 BTC, you can earn $15 bonus. So a nice little bonus there if you guys have friends that you want to invite to C-Trade. Obviously, you can see the affiliate program here. So C-Trade affiliate program, earn up to 40% trading fee commissions. So you can also switch on over to that if you guys want to sign up for that. But like I said, just a huge amount of opportunity to obviously earn money, whether it's through trading, whether it's through an affiliate program. I also want to talk about some of the general bonus and info regarding that trading competition. So if we actually jump in here, you can see some of the rankings. So user ID, you can actually see their individual P&L percentage as well. And you can see that the prize pool right now, 90,000 USDT, participants being 1,512 of them. The competition ends in 22 days, so you're actually not too late to get started if you guys wanted to try to jump on board with it. But just very, very cool how they have these kind of competitions, very large prize pools, just kind of giving back to the community that, continues to utilize C-Trade to their advantage. And I think the biggest thing to note, guys, is the C-Trade bonuses. So $15 bonus being 500 plus deposits, $50 bonus for 2,500 plus deposits, and then we have $200 bonus for 10,000 plus deposits, $1,000 bonus for 40,000 plus deposits, $2,000 bonus for 80,000 plus deposits. So you can actually get that extra $200 in the reward center. So up, like to what I said, if we go back to the front, I think it says up to $2,200 bonus now, and that's definitely possible. Like I said, you just have to put in quite a bit for the 2,200, full 2,200, but you can get bonuses even for $15. So keep that in mind. Not for $15, but you can get a $15 bonus for $500 deposits. So a very, very low amount can still give you those bonuses, and you can take advantage of that free money. But like I said, there's a great really system here they have at C-Trade. Their support's great, much better than some of those higher, Coinbase and Binance I've heard is just absolutely terrible support. So C-Trade much, much better in that category as well. I do think this is definitely, like I said, it's something to look into if you guys are looking into, finding a new exchange or just exploring the exchanges out there and available to you. I will put my link down in the description below for this exact bonus as well as my referral code so you guys can take advantage of it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on if you guys have not already, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.